Good morning, evening, day, night, whatever it is there where you are. I'm starting my account as I promised. This is my room. It's I don't know what that fucking thing is that it's scaring me. I should clean that up. Anyways, I promised to start my YouTube account. I have Middle Earth there and Neuschwanstein. Disappointing, isn't it? Yeah, and that's not KKK. That's Spanish penitent. Look them up. They're pretty cool. I promised my first video would be fucking airplane, paper airplane. So I made one. It's horrible. It's not gonna fly, and I should change it a bit. But let's give it a shot. Let's make something happen. Yeah. And be prepared to be disappointed. This is Follower, and we're taking off.